back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the huge insurance company Cigna. We're going to dive all in. The links to this page, if you want to put that application in, is linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just want to ask that if you enjoyed this job lead or job leads like this, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, a like button, and of course, share with all your friends and family if you know someone who could benefit from this. But with that being said, Cigna is looking for a data entry representative. Now, this is remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody who can follow up and follow through, juggling multiple tasks, being a multitasker. Now, I don't know what their data entry consists of. This sounds to me like it's going to require a little bit of insurance billing and follow-up as well. It says you're going to learn and understand the use of the CMS guidance rules, understanding those rules and regulations so that you can deal with multiple issues at one time. So you're going to review, investigate, and resolve any issues quickly with claims in the system. You'll be entering the data, I guess entering the denials or anything like that, rejecting claims in the system, returning those claims for additional information, things like that. It says you'll have to understand the return mail retention policies and guidelines. So it looks like you're going to determine if these claims can be paid and processed in the system, entering all that information, or you enter why they cannot be so they can be returned to the provider for additional information. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service. They want somebody who has great communication skills, great time management skills, and can work a computer like those Microsoft Office systems, Word, and Excel. Of course, they highly prefer somebody who has data entry skills. Now, you do have to have the ability to connect to high-speed internet service, but pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $22 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. But don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.